Okay, if you fail in any parts of the CWI exams, either part A, B, or C, I'm gonna show you what to do to determine what you need to study. It'll give you a better chance of passing it the second time. I know a lot of people have problems with the part B, but check out this video and also subscribe to my channel. And you can look over in the corner and push the subscribe button, or you can look in the drop down. And also I have tests, questions and stuff, practice quizzes in the description below. So here go how you can determine exactly on what to study if you ever fail any of the parts of the CWI exam. Okay, I'm on this Excel spreadsheet. This is the results one of my, I call them YouTube students, sent to me. As you can see, it's showing the number of questions he got right. And he was kind of confused. He said, I see the number I got right, but I don't know how many I missed. So I told him to send it to me. These are his correct answers. If you look at it, and you look down here, he got 31 correct. So he got 31 out of 46 correct. So he missed it by 4. He needed to get about at least 35 of them right to make like a 74 or 70 something. You know, just by missing those, if he would have got 4 more right, he would have been a CWI. And he passed part A and C. So I'm going to explain to you how this works. As you can see, I got this. I had to go to AWSB 5.1 2013 to show you the percentages of each category. And this how you get to it. You go to www.aws.org. Once you log on, go right here to the certification. Once you click on that, go over here to the right and go down to where you see certification documents and click it. Then you're going to go down and you could pick whatever. I'm going to pick the English. That's the B5.1. And there you go, specifications. And you scroll down to page 7 and 8. Once you get there, it gives you the percentages of each one in each category. Like qualifications, you got 25%. That's on codes. Then you got your fundamentals. And a lot of people are having problems with this part B. So I'm going to explain to you how to figure out, if you get your results, how to figure out exactly what you need to study for. So we'll continue. So you can see the welding inspection and flaws, 34% of the questions come from that section. 8% comes from specifications and drawings, 28% welding qualifications, so procedures and procedure qualification, 8% NDT, and 8% mechanical and testing properties. So what I did to get the number of welds, I said welds, I'm sorry, to get the number of questions, what I had to do was take this 34 and multiply it by 46. So 34% multiplied times 46 equals 15.65 questions that was asked, and 3.68 in that section, 12 and 3 and 3. So that's how I got it. And you sum those up, you see what it equals is 39 questions, 39.56 questions, and that's, but you have 46 questions. So what I did is took that number and add 2 more questions to each one of them. So I took the 15, brought it to 17, to 3 to 5, 12 to 14, 3 to 5, 3 to 5. Then when you sum that up, it equals 46. So that's how I got the 46 questions. So he got 14 right out of 17 questions. So he missed 3 in that section right there. So that's, so they should have just said you got 14 right and you missed 3. That would have made it a whole lot easier. But no, they made it very difficult. Right there, he got 2 out of 5. So you know that percentage is low. It's under 50%. So he probably needs to study more on the drawings and specifications. And right here, these is procedures and qualifications. He got 10 out of 14. So he didn't do too bad on that. So he got 10 questions right out of 14. And I would recommend him studying more on the procedures and stuff also, because that's pretty easy section. What happens, people get confused with the performance qualifications and procedure qualification. And you see these areas right here. So you can see where he needs to work on. So if he can work on those areas, he's good with the inspection and flaws. It's just the other areas. So I'm just doing a little formula right here to show you how many he missed in each one of those categories. If you sum this column up of what he missed, he got a total of 15 right here. And then if you sum up this column right here, he got correct is 31. So 31 plus 15 is 46 questions. So he didn't do really bad. He probably made about a 65 or 66 on this part B. Like I said, he just need to get another 4 right, 35 questions right, and he would be a CWI, a certified welding inspector. So this would be his 3rd attempt. So he had to get his professional development hours. Like I told him, just check with his employee and get him to fill out saying that he been working doing procedures and monitoring stuff, and put it on a company letterhead, and they would count that as his PDH, professional development hours. He don't have to go into a Lone Star, no college, or take any courses off of AWS website. He could get that approval by getting his employee to sign, and it has to be stamped by CWI that his certification is still up to date. And that's all to it. All right, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, turn on your notifications, and share this video. Also leave comments. Thanks for watching welding and stuff.